Hey, if you're a gig worker, in this video I want to share 3 ways for how you can profit from AI, but only one of them is mind-blowing. And you're going to find out that most people are already profiting one way. The second way, only a few have figured it out. And the third way is the very best and easiest way to make money from AI. And if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'll show you how you can turn AI into your own money-making machine. So let's get right into it. First of all, I want to give a shout out to Dan, the creator. And he's always inspiring, but he gave me the inspiration to do this video, and he always causes me to think differently about creating content. So let me get right into it. So the first reason, it's not a reason. The first way that you can make money from AI, if you're a gig worker, is just keep doing what you're doing. And here's why I say that, is if you're doing gig work, you're already working for the AI man. Yeah, you're making money by working for the AI man. So yeah, these apps were, programmed by these companies and then set loose on our streets to just be fully automated. And now the algorithm is dictating to you where you should work, how much money you'll make, how much time it should take, and all of that. And so if you like what you're doing, then you can profit from AI by just continuing to do that. So that's the first way. What do you think of that? You like that idea? But if you're stuck, here's the second way that you could start profiting from AI. And it used to be one of my favorite ways, actually. And that is with AI. You can start profiting with AI. And what do I mean by that? So you could set up a profile on Fiverr or Upwork, nice professional profile, and start putting together some different gigs that you do. Like maybe you could write ebooks for lead magnets. You could write coaching programs for coaches, or your own coaching program, and sell it on Udemy. But as far as for Fiverr and Upwork, you could create content for blog posts. You could do social media management. You could do titles and thumbnails for people who are video creators. You could do the descriptions for videos. There's just, you could do descriptions for people who are writing books. And all of this you could use and work with ChatGPT. So far you have 2 ways that you could make money with AI. Sorry, it's like 4 o'clock in the morning. I've been getting up so early. I talked about this the other day. I don't know. I'm 60. I don't want to miss a moment. And so here I am up at 4 a.m. again. And I feel great. My voice is a little crackly, I think, but otherwise I feel pretty refreshed for 4 o'clock in the morning. Anyway, so those are the first 2 ways you can work for AI or keep working for the AI man. I hope that goes viral. Somebody else probably already thought of it, but it's so funny. At least I think it's pretty funny. Or you could work with AI, which is pretty cool. It's a lot better than being a slave with, working for AI. But I don't even know if that's a good thing to say these days, because, I don't know. It doesn't really completely feel right to say it, so I don't know. But anyway, because, you're not really a slave, because you kind of make a choice, really. So you're not a slave. So that's why I really don't like that. I've heard that bantered about by different people, but hey, if you're choosing to do this, nobody's forcing you to do this. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's forget I even said that. All right. So the third way is actually my new favorite, and that's to get AI to work for you. Yeah. Now that's what's happening. Because, if you got AI working for you, you can just sit back, kind of relax, and just take in the money as it comes. That's kind of a passive residual progressive income right there. I mean, when you're working for AI, there's no scalability, and there's no way that you can really, profit in a way that you really want to, because you're kind of controlled. Your profitability is controlled. With AI, it's better, but it's not as scalable unless you start bringing on a team of people to work with you and under you as they work with AI. Now, that's some things that people do, but that's a lot of work. That's a lot of work, man. So when you start thinking abstractly and you figure out a way to have AI working for you, now that's the ticket right there. And it's scalable, and you don't need to hire anybody. So, because you've got AI working for you, and that's all the employees you really need. You know what I mean? So, if you're curious about the best way to have AI work for you, then definitely click on the link below. I found the perfect platform that will help you to profit from having AI work for you. What else? I think that's about it for this video. So, yeah. All right. I'll catch you on the next video.